New study says men should not keep phones in jean pockets. Here's why. Share tweet. A new study shows a conclusive evidence that phones placed close to a man's genitals for a prolonged period of time steadily drive down sperm count. A significant 8% reduction in sperm motility and 9% reduction in sperm viability happened when mobile phones are kept near genitals. Many suggest that the surviving sperm could be DNA damaged. New South Wales, Australia. Despite numerous evidence that linked cell phones and radiations, most people still prefer to put cell phones in jean pockets. An article by Ben Hayward for Unilat said that a new study shows a conclusive evidence that men, in particular, should look for another place to put their cell phones. Following a systemic review of 21 research papers about radiation, the researcher found that phones placed close to a man's genitals for a prolonged period of time steadily drive down sperm count. Among the existing studies, many suggest that the surviving sperm could be DNA damaged. Previously, the biological phenomenon was under fierce debate and scientists have no way to explain how non-ionizing radiation influences the body. Without the direct link, many public health investigators are hesitant to say definitively that cell phones harm sperm. However, a new review by a team at Australia's University of Newcastle has organised the years of evidence in an attempt to both emphasise the trend and to identify potential causes. While this subject remains a topic of active debate, this review has considered the growing body of evidence suggesting a possible role for RF-EMR radiofrequency electromagnetic radiation-induced damage of the male germ line, the authors wrote in the study. In a majority of studies, this damage has been characterized by loss of sperm motility and viability as well as the induction of ROS generation and DNA damage, the authors added. Among the 27 studies, 21 of them showed a causal link between cell phone radiation and sperm damage. 10 studies were examined including 1,492 human sperm samples. Mia de Groot mentioned in her article for Mail Online that the study revealed that exposure to mobile phones was found to be associated with a significant 8% reduction in sperm motility and 9% reduction in sperm viability. Aside from the mentioned effects, sperm concentration was more equivocal. The results of the test were consistent across experimental laboratory studies and correlational observational studies. Dr. Joel Moskowitz, of UC Berkeley's Public Health School, said that the recent review is a pivotal step towards the broader global understanding about the dangers of our phones. However, while studies have shown a correlation between sperm count depletion and cell phone radiation, the researcher said that there is a lack of research and concrete findings into the link between the two. Dr. Moskowitz warned that the University of Newcastle review is clear evidence that men should not store their cell phones near their genitals. In this line of research, more intense cell phone radiation leads to more sperm damage, he added. Perhaps, it is simply better to heed the warning than be sorry. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.